Hello, my name is Susan. I came to Dr. Pearl because I had two issues. I had a really bad ankle from multiple sprains and a ligament that was torn, and I had bone on bone. So I had a lot of pain and mobility issues with my ankle, and that was on my right side. And then on my left side, I had a knee that I had torn a meniscus, and I had a lot of arthritis. And so I was just looking for some help. And my ankle, actually, I was scheduled a while back for a fusion, and I got a second opinion. And at that time, I decided against it, which I'm so glad I did, because now I'm able to have this procedure. And I'm 1 month out. My knee is feeling great. I'm able to go up and down the stairs without any problem. I'm going to physical therapy. And my ankle, which I had limited mobility, particularly, having problems being on it for a long period of time, has been great. So I'm just looking forward to the rest of the journey here and finding out how that will do. So do it. Definitely do it. I encourage anyone that's had problems with pain or arthritis to get this done because it's a great alternative to surgery. And really, other than, going through the process, at the beginning and going through the physical therapy, it's not like you're having a major surgery.